Everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you 4 relaxing spots in Heartopia where you can chill, take aesthetic photos, and even recover energy without using any foods. And if you are a new player, this can be very useful. First spot is in Flowerfield. This area near the NPC Fernie, this NPC, and then right on here just climb up to the house like this, and then in here you will find 2 sitting spots that anyone can use without owning a sit actions. Just tap on it just like that, and I think it's a great place for cute photos with friends or just simply enjoying the beautiful views on here. And then for the second spot is in this area at the jump puzzle area, more precisely at this one at this area. It's located near the Amethyst Beach. This one at the yellow duck jump puzzle. And just like the rooftop spot, there are 2 seats available, but this time you will get a relaxing ocean view like this. I think it's a beautiful view like this. And then the third spot is in Onsen Mountain on here. In here you can relax on the floating rings on here, or just soak in the hot spring lake, this one. And the best part is that you can recover your energy while enjoying the peaceful atmosphere on here. And then for the fourth spot is in the forest. Like this, the fourth spot is a unique one in the forest, in this camping area, more precisely at this area. And in here, at the decorative string lights at this area, I will use my car to climb the lamp. Like this, you can see it. You can actually lie down and sleep on top of the light cable structure. This one, it's so unique. It's a very unusual resting spot, and in here you can also restore your energy on here. And those are 4 relaxing spots that you should visit in Heartopia. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.